Welcome to a journey of understanding and managing anxiety through the power of your thoughts. Today, we'll explore how cognitive diffusion and restructuring can transform unhelpful thinking patterns into tools for peace and clarity. Anxiety often stems from how we perceive and react to our thoughts. Imagine a world where you see thoughts simply as thoughts, not as truths or commands. This is the essence of cognitive diffusion. By paying attention to our thinking habits, we can begin to recognize patterns that may be fueling our anxiety. Let's start by identifying some common unhelpful thinking habits. First, there's imaginary concern. It's normal to worry, but when we focus on hypothetical what-if scenarios rather than real, actionable concerns, it becomes unproductive. Next is rumination, where we repeatedly mull over negative experiences without learning from them, trapping ourselves in a cycle of overthinking. Then, there's the tendency to think the worst. This habit magnifies problems by leaping to the worst possible outcomes, causing unnecessary stress. Pessimistic thinking is another pattern, where we only see the negatives, wearing what we might call negativity glasses that filter out anything positive. Black and white thinking is yet another pattern, where we see things in extremes, good or bad, right or wrong, ignoring the nuances in between. This limits our perspective and can heighten anxiety. But there's hope. Cognitive restructuring helps us challenge these patterns by reshaping how we interpret our thoughts. Acceptance and commitment therapy teaches us about cognitive fusion, where we mistake thoughts for reality. By creating space between our thoughts and responses, we can regain control. Buddhist philosophy offers insight too. It suggests that mental suffering arises from mistaking our mental filters for reality itself. By observing our mind's activity as we would any other sense, we can gain clarity and reduce anxiety. Through these techniques, you can learn to manage your anxiety by changing how you interact with your thoughts. Embrace the shades of grey in life and find peace in knowing that your mind's power lies in your ability to observe and reshape it. Thank you for joining us on this path to mental well-being. Remember, your thoughts are just thoughts, and you have the power to change them.